Welcome back to Bike Update, the channel where we dive into the latest machines, technology, and innovation shaping the motorcycle world.
Today's spotlight is on a major milestone for an iconic Italian brand, the 2026 Moto Guzzi V120. More than just a new model, the V120 represents Moto Guzzi's biggest step toward blending their unmistakable heritage with the demands of modern motorcycling. A new era for Moto Guzzi. For decades, Moto Guzzi has built motorcycles that stand out both visually and mechanically. The transverse V-twin engine, the sculpted tank lines, and the unmistakable sound all form part of a legacy unmatched in the motorcycle world. With the V120, the company takes that foundation and reimagines it for a new generation of riders. The bike feels familiar, but it pushes far beyond what Moto Guzzi has offered before. Engine evolution, the heart of the V120. At the core of the 2026 V120 is an extensively redesigned 1,200 cubic centimeters transverse V-twin. Engineers aim to preserve the Guzzi character while modernizing every aspect of engine performance. The updated engine benefits from enhanced internal balancing, reducing unwanted vibration without muting the engine's natural rhythm. Improved torque delivery, providing a strong mid-range punch that suits both relaxed touring and spirited cornering. Updated cylinder cooling, helping the engine run smoother and more efficiently in varying riding conditions. Revised fuel mapping, sharpening throttle response while maintaining a predictable power curve. Instead of chasing peak horsepower numbers, Guzzi focuses on delivering usable power, the kind that transforms real-world riding into something effortless and satisfying. Chassis development and weight distribution. With the V120, Moto Guzzi introduces a new chassis architecture aimed at improving agility and stability. The updated frame is both lighter and stiffer, designed to reduce flex and support more precise handling. Riders will notice improved balance at low speeds, especially during tight turns and urban maneuvering. Greater mid-corner stability, allowing sharper lines and more confidence on twisty roads. Reduced wobble and front-end dive, thanks to improved geometry and suspension tuning. This chassis is engineered for riders who want a motorcycle that responds intuitively to their inputs, without sacrificing long-distance comfort. Advanced suspension for modern roads. One of the standout features of the V120 is its semi-active suspension system. This setup continuously evaluates road conditions and adjusts damping on the fly. Whether you hit a pothole, shift your riding posture, or change riding modes, the bike adapts instantly. Benefits of the new suspension include a dramatically smoother ride over rough surfaces, better control during hard braking, enhanced comfort on long trips, more stable handling in unpredictable situations. Combined with an ergonomically redesigned seat and handlebar position, the V120 becomes a bike you can ride for hours without fatigue. High-level electronics and riding modes. The 2026 V120 marks Moto Guzzi's biggest leap in rider electronics. The bike comes equipped with a fully digital display offering extensive customization, including trip data, ride mode selection, and optional turn-by-turn navigation. Key tech highlights. Multiple ride modes for sport, touring, rain, and customizable settings. Cornering ABS, giving consistent braking safety even when leaned over. Traction control with lean angle sensitivity. Optional smartphone integration, including music and call controls. Adaptive engine braking, adjusting deceleration based on riding mode. Moto Guzzi has managed to include advanced technology without turning the ride experience sterile. The electronics support the rider without dominating the ride. Design, classic Guzzi meets modern sharpness. The V120 introduces a bold design refresh while remaining unmistakably Moto Guzzi. The sculpted tank now includes refined air channels that improve cooling efficiency. The front end is more angular and aerodynamic, while the tail section adopts a minimalist floating design. Visual elements that stand out. Full LED lighting with a modern halo signature. A more compact headlamp design, giving the bike a sleek, aggressive face.
A streamlined fuel tank that hugs the frame for an athletic profile.
A clean tail design that enhances the bike's sporty stance.
Everything is sharper, lighter, and more functional, but still unmistakably Guzzi.
Practicality, built for real-world riding. Despite the sporting upgrades, Moto Guzzi doesn't abandon real-world practicality. The V120 is designed to be a genuine do-everything machine. Practical advantages include
improved fuel efficiency compared to previous models.
Optional hard luggage systems for touring. Wind tunnel-tested aerodynamics that reduce rider fatigue. A more accessible seat height for everyday usability.
Whether you're riding through city traffic, exploring country roads, or taking off on a weekend tour, the V120 adapts smoothly.
The ride experience.
On the road, riders can expect a refined yet character-rich Guzzi feel. The engine pulses with the familiar transverse beat, but without the excessive shaking of older models. The power delivery is smooth and controlled, allowing the bike to feel lively without ever becoming unpredictable. The combination of the new chassis, suspension, and electronic suite makes the V120 feel more composed, more capable, and more enjoyable, especially during long rides or aggressive cornering.
Final thoughts.
The 2026 Moto Guzzi V120 represents a true evolution for the brand, a thoughtful reinvention that keeps the heart and soul of Moto Guzzi intact while pushing technology, performance, and design forward. It's built for riders who love history but demand modern.